Yes, sir.
सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि मे सदा स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रिय छात्राः अद्य वयं प्रश्नपत्रं पश्यामः यथाशक्ति एतस्य उत्तराणि कथम् आगच्छन्ति इति अत्र चिन्तयामः. My dear students, welcome to online classes. In the class 10 today onwards we are going to discuss the question papers. These are all some of the selected model question papers which may help you to face the exams better. Always solving the question paper is the best method to prepare for the examination. As we have completed the syllabus and we have discussed the grammar in detail, I thought solving the question papers will be the better idea to prepare you for the examination. And I was very happy that many of you done well in the recent exams, and still we must bring everybody up to the mark. That my aim is that everybody must score A1 marks. That is the aim. Let us keep the aim together and let us work together to achieve our aim. I think you will give me 100% cooperation. First of all, even though first we are starting from this, the translation part, it is not there for the PT1, what you are going to face in the midterm exam, but it will definitely come for the final exam if everything goes right. So let us prepare this. अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि संस्कृतभाषायाम् अनुद्य लिखताम्. You have to translate these sentences into Sanskrit. So first of all, as a English medium students, all of you will go on the English part of the sentences. But when you get struck, please go back to the Hindi part of the sentences because same Sanskrit words will be given in the Hindi sentences. Okay. Gopal sings songs. It's a simple present sentence. Very easy. Let me start from Sai Ishwar. Vadatvo. Gopal sings a song.
गोपालः गीतं गायति.
Gopalaha Geetam Gayati. Very beautiful. Correct. Next. Nishant Mat. We see picture. Simple present. We see picture. Picture means not the drawing. It is the moving picture. Movie. We see picture. We see movie.
वयं सिनेमा दृश्यते.
वयं दृश्यते इति भवति वा? बालः ति बालौ तः बालाः अन्ति. त्वंसि युवां तः यूयं थ. अहं मि आवां वः वयं मः. Tell me. वयं
सिनेमा दृश्यामः
इति भवति. आदित्य गोते करेक्ट इट.
हेलो.
आदित्य नास्ति. अभिमन्यु वदतु भो.
वयं चलचित्रं दृश्यामः.
ओ, दृश्य धातुः लट् लकारे दृश्यति इति न भवति.
पश्यामः.
पश्यामः.
वयं चलनचित्रं पश्यामः. निशांत got it? Yes. Rama will go to Kolkata tomorrow. Who will tell? Rama will go to Kolkata tomorrow. Amar Akkalwadi.
रामः श्वः कोलकातानगरे गमिष्यति.
Correct. Once again.
रामः श्वः कोलकातानगरे गमिष्यति.
Nagare in the city or to Kolkata. Nagare means Saptami Vibhakti. In. To means Dvitiya Vibhakti.
रामः
करेक्ट
कोलकाता नगरं
नगरम रामः श्वः कोलकाता नगरं गमिष्यति वेरी ब्यूटिफुल नेक्स्ट आदर्शः वेयर वाज श्याम yesterday वेयर वाज श्याम yesterday कल श्याम कहाँ था
श्यामः
हाँ
श्यामः कुत्र अस्ति सर
श्यामः yesterday yes हाँ करेक्ट ह्यः
श्यामः यः कुत्र अस्ति
कुत अस्ति is present tense yesterday
आसीत्
आसीत् कुत्र आसीत् very beautiful श्यामः ह्यः कुत्र आसीत् beautiful next प्रत्युष पांडे जी कहिए all of you write by pen तुम सब कलम से लिखो कलम से इस तृतीय विभक्ति
सर्वे जनः कलमेन सहितं लिखित
try nothing wrong in trying
सर्वे जनः कलम सहित
by pen by means which vibhakti
कलमेन
I will eat with spoon with or by which vibhakti
चतुर्थी
huh I will beat you with the stick
सर्वे जनः कलमस्य या विभक्ति
का विभक्ति तृतीय विभक्ति कलमेन
कलम इज नपुंसकलिंग
हाँ कलमेन
कलमेन सर्वे जनः कलमेन सहितं सर्वे जनः कलमेन लिखित सर्वे जनः कलमेन लिखित लिखति
all of you write with pen
सर्वे जनः कलमेन
लोट लकार है लोट लकार है
लोट लकार सर अली
पठतु पठताम लिखतु लिखताम
लिखन्तु
सर्वे जनाः
कलमेन लिखन्तु
सर्वे जनाः कलमेन लिखन्तु अथवा सर्वे जनाः लेखन्या सर्वे जनाः लेखन्या लिखन्तु गुड नेक्स्ट तन्मय the child fears from bear so when fear comes it is panchami vibhakti bhayam kasmat bhayam bear what you call नृत्यति तत्तरि कुरु करतालम बल्लूकः बियर मीन्स बल्लूकः
बालः बल्लूकात् बयात् बालः बल्लूकात् बयात्
बल्लूकात्
बयात् बयन्ते भयति
भयं भयं प्राप्नोति
भयं प्राप्नोति
अथवा बिभेति।
पिबेति
हम्म?
बालः
हम्म,
भल्लुकात्
हम्म,
भयं पिबेति
समीचीनं। नेक्स्ट मे दे स्टडी। अभिमन्यु वदति वा?
For bacha, we can use shishuhu, sir.
शिशुः बालः। One more word is there, डिम्बः डिम्बकः।
Sir, in fifth question, sir. In fifth one, sir, after reading this, all of you, we are using surveys, sir. But after reading this Hindi sentence, sir, tum sab, that means something coming in mind, sir. That is yuvam, sir.
भवन्तः सर्वे, भवन्तः सर्वे लेखन्या लिखन्तु। If you want like तुम सब, भवन्तः सर्वे।
Yes.
Okay. Yes. This one.
Sir, please repeat sixth one, sir, one more time.
हाँ, बच्चा बालों से डरता है। The child fears from fear. बालः बल्लूकात् बिभेति। बालः बल्लूकात् बिभेति। बालः बल्लूकात् भयं प्राप्नोति।
Yes, sir.
अथवा बालः बल्लूकात् भीतः भवति।
Yes, sir.
Who will do this? Next one, last one. May they study. Again lot lakara. Ravitej.
यूयम
दे न सहतौते। Very simple. हाँ, लोट लकार है। Pratyush told already answer. ते पठतु, ते बहुवचनं, पठतु इति एकवचनं। हाँ, किं भवति? ते पठन्तु। Got it? पुनरेकवारं सर्वं पश्यामः। गोपाल sings a song. गोपालः गानं गायति। We see picture. वयं चलनचित्रं पश्यामः। रामा will go to Kolkata tomorrow. रामः श्वः कोलकाता नगरं गमिष्यति। Where was Shyam yesterday? श्यामः ह्यः कुत्र आसीत्? All of you write by pen. भवन्तः सर्वे लेखन्या लिखन्तु। The child fears from bear. बालः बल्लूकात् भीतः भवति। बालः बल्लूकात् बिभेति। बालः बल्लूकात् भयं प्राप्नोति। May they study. ते पठन्तु। इदानीं व्याकरणांशान् प्रति गच्छामः। अधोलिखितेषु वाक्येषु रेखाङ्कितपदेषु सन्धिं सन्धिविच्छेदं वा कृत्वा लिखताम्। प्रथमं संकल्पः। छात्राः अपि शिरः अधिकं छदः न करणीयः।
शिरच्छदः
शिरच्छदः समीचीनम्, उत्तमम्। अनन्तरं सात्विक बुला। भासमानं निजभवनम् अपश्यत्। So see, this is the you have to make. भासमानं निजसदनम्। After the ma, if the next sentence starts with the fifth letter, the same varga's fifth letter it will become. Is it? वर्गस्य पंचमवर्णेन संधिः। Are you getting? Shall I give you an example? Jagannatha was there, no? Vangmayam. Getting
भासमान्निजभवनम्
Bhasaman,
भासमान्निजभवनम्
almost near, but I can hear correctly, but you are not telling correctly. As I always
Sir,
tell,
भासमान्निजभवनम्.
how it is. Can you explain what is happening there? I don't want the answer, I want reason, and you should explain me what has happened. Is there anybody who can explain me? Shall I explain you?
Sir, ma is replaced with na, sir.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. Who is answering? Correct, Shailesh. Ma is replaced by na. Correct. So it will become Bhasamanan Nijabhavanam. Correct? Yes. Very beautiful. Very nice. Next, Shritan. Akashaha Meghaha Achannaha Asit. Achannaha. Shritan. Adikam channaha. So when the big cha is starting, automatically the small cha is coming. This is the sandhi. Very nice. Good. Anantaram Vinay. Sat adikam margam. He Kalyani. Sarvada Sat adikam margam anusaratu. Not Sai Ishwar Kalyani. Sat adikam. Yes, correct.
Sadmargam
Sadmargam nasti. Jagannatha.
Sanmargam, sir.
Kim bhavati? Sanmargam. Sat adikam margam. Sanmargam. Ta is becoming na. Jagannatha ityatrapi jagat adikam natah jagannatha. Next, very easy, I think. Who will tell? I can see any new name. Satvik Hiremataha. Vadatu. Ayogyaha purusho nasti yojakastatra durlabhaha. In Shiksha Parva, yojakastatra durlabhaha.
Can I, sir?
Yes.
Sir, yojaka plus tatra, sir.
Oh, small mistake. Almost near. Come on.
Yojakaha plus tatra.
Yojakaha adikam tatra. Yojakaha adikam tatra. Visarga is becoming sa. This shloka is quoted by President Ramnath Kovind in the Shikshak Parva. Which is the shloka? It is 10th class shloka. Amantramaksharam nasti nasti moola manaushadam. Ayogyaha purusho nasti yojakastatra durlabhaha. What is meaning? Can anybody tell? There is no useless person in the world, but making him in the right place, such a samyojakaha, coordinator, is very rare to get. All of you are talented. So keeping you in which field you are talented, that is very important. As agre chalamaha. Shall we move? Next one is Samasaha Santi. Adholikiteshu Vakyeshu Rekankita Padanam Samasta Samasam Vigraheva Pradatta Vikalpebhyaha Chitva Likata. Samasas. So Saha Stita Pragnaha iti Kona Janati. Stita Pragnaha ityasya Vigraha Vakyam. स्थिता प्रज्ञा यस्य सः, स्थितं प्रज्ञं यस्य सः, स्थितः प्रज्ञः यस्या सा.
क